How to find current city informations, privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find current city informations, privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then profile information, and here you will find your current city. Click this pin here and then click edit, and now just type your current city again, and here you will find it, share. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.